I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to unlock your payouts on the Etsy app after completing verification, follow these steps to get it done smoothly. Step 1. Open the Etsy app. Launch the Etsy app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your seller account to access the necessary features. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select account settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Complete verification. Look for the verification section in your account settings. Follow the prompts to complete any outstanding verification steps, such as confirming your identity or linking a bank account. Step 4. Check payout preferences. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After completing the above steps, you may need to wait for a confirmation email from Etsy. This can take a few hours to a couple of days, so be patient. If you don't receive it, check your spam folder. I hope this helps you unlock your payouts quickly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Etsy support for assistance.